Okay, hey, good morning everyone. I'm John Krause from Promess Incorporated at the Assembly Show here in Chicago 2021. I am here at the station, the FlexIQ station, showcasing one of our new products that Promess has just launched. The FlexIQ in particular is really focused towards industries where you might be using arbor presses, pneumatic presses, or hydraulic presses, but you're looking for solutions to your applications with more technology, the ability to know if your parts were pressed perfectly or not, but maybe you don't have the budget to go to a fully programmable, fully servo press type solution. So this is the FlexIQ. This is the configuration that comes in a 4-post design. It's 24 volts, so you apply 24 volts. The controller and everything is here in the back. As you can see, this is our 1 kilonewton model. This comes in a couple different sizes and models. The software over here on the right, it is a simplified version of the software. So really it helps with this jump from maybe your pneumatics or your arbor press type solutions to get some more technology, but not maybe the technology that's unneeded or unnecessary. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're interested in the FlexIQ, please contact us and let us know. Thank you.